Hello gang, hello friends, welcome back. Are you here from the last one? Did you come? Are you back? Guess who's back? Have we got some treats for you today? Who's we? Me, just me. Have me got some treats for you today? The new it's April's collection. I'm so far behind and I'm really sorry about that, but better late than never. This is the April collection and it is called the Secret Garden collection. Well, it's called Secret Garden. I added the and the collection at the end, but it's such a good name for it because it's like you've got these cremes and then like, shh, don't tell anyone. Look, we've got matching Cateyes. They're so good that we should keep them a secret, but we're not going to keep them a secret. We're going to shout it from the rooftops because wowza. So I'm going to do some little bottle wiggles for you. If you've come from the last video, which was moments ago, I showed how I filmed this swatching video. This is like a little behind the scenes. So this is the result of that. Should I have filmed how I edited the video? Absolutely. Did I? Not so much. I forgot. I didn't even think. Sorry about that. But I will I will film a video of me recording. Look how cute these colours are. This yellow. Oh, I think it's very hard. Yellows are tricky, I think. That might just be a me thing. But that yellow is so cute. It's just cute. That's how it's just, if cute was a colour, it's that yellow, you know? Do you know? I'm assuming you know. And it cured fine because yellows can be a bit tricky curing sometimes. Always do thinner coats with your yellow. It's better to do 3 thin coats than do 2 normal coats in case they crinkle. Yellows are just like that. They have some beef with UV. I don't know why. I don't think we're supposed to ask either. But the cremes on this are just so creamy, and all of their cremes are just creamy and opaque. Look at this. It's really, really pretty. This collection is really pretty. And the cat eyes with it. Just wait. Just you wait until you see them zhuzhed. I mean, you may have already seen them from the video before this. If you are interested in like behind the scenes how I filmed, then go and check that video out. I'll put a link in the description, and I will do a video of my filming setup as well soon. These top coats, look at the top coats. Oh, just so cute. This collection is so cute. That's if I made that clear. And now we are going to swatch them. We're going to calm down a little bit because it's 2:13 in the morning. And all I can really think about is getting a hot chocolate, my chocolate yogurt, and watching The Handmaid's Tale, which I decided to rewatch from the beginning before watching the last season. Okay, watch this. Look. Oh, it goes all fizzy. It's like it's fizzing with excitement, anticipation, and all of the cat eyes and cremes. They're in little pairs, which I think is one of my favourite things that Madame Glam have done a few times recently, where you have a creme colour and then a matching cat eye. It's just gives you here's a set. Don't worry about a design, just do this colour. Do maybe on one nail a little fade of this, you know, a little bit at the top, bring it down with an ombre brush, give it some zhuzh, or just an accent nail in this colour, or just a full set of holy smokes. Did you see how bright that was? Brighter than the sun. Brighter than the English sun. Yeah, just that having the matching ones, I just think it's such a good idea. And sometimes don't you have days where you can't, for the life of you, come up with a colour combo. You know, if someone's like, what colour will go nice with this? Maybe I don't want all yellow nails. I want something. And you can go, I know exactly what you should have, this. You don't even have to think about it. It just takes away the whole thought process of finding a colour combination. And any time we can spend not thinking, just giving the old brain muscles a little bit of relaxation, I'm down for that. This green, I'm really into my green at the moment. And this one, oh, but it's like, is it green or is it silver? It's green, but it's also silver, but it's also freaking holographic. I'm not sure if they're reflective, you know, the whole put the flash on and they blind you, you know, burn out the old retinas. But they're so bright that I'm wondering if they are. You know, I don't think they are, but they're so bright it makes me think they are. You can see. So we're going to wiggle our little magnet around. Oh, cat eyes. You know, are you with me? Let's put some cat with heart eye emojis in the comments if you're as obsessed with cat eyes as I am. They're just so good. How have I gotten this far through the video without telling you that you can get a whopping, look at that, a whopping 30% off Madame Glam using the link in the description and the code MISSJO30. 30%'s loads. It's just bloody loads. Oh, these top coats, look how nicely they disperse the bits of stuff as well. I just added a bit more from the other side of the brush, but when you pull down, do it lightly. It doesn't drag all the little dots to the bottom, you know, it doesn't, which sometimes happens with top coats that have got bits floating in them. That makes it sound really awful. Just chickeny bits floating in them. But you know, when you brush on, this is a second coat of the cat eyes, just shushing them because why not? Yeah, you know, polishes that have bits of stuff in. Sometimes if you pull it down the nail, paint the nail, it all doesn't land, doesn't settle, land. Or when you brush down, it sort of pulls it all to the bottom, but do light strokes so you're not dragging. But it distributed nice and evenly. There we go. This one, imagine this for like a mermaid sea set, some watery stuff. This one would look good. It's with something to do with galaxies. I mean, every colour I look at, I can find a way to put it into a galaxy nail. Is that the last one? Yes, and look at these. This is them all together without the flash. So they're super bright, even without the flash. And those last two are top coats. And then with the flash, holy macaroni. That is bananas. One of you in the chats, or was it in a message? Or was it in the live? Can't remember. Saying that they say holy macaroni as well. It's when I'm feeling less sweary, I'll bring out the old macaroni. Pasta swears. And then these two top coats. I feel like that one might have, has it reflective bits? I don't know. They're just so that it makes me question everything. So you have all these little pairs, and then you have the sparkly top coats. How nice are the bits of stuff top coats, confetti type ones that would look so cute on top of the creme colours, wouldn't they? They would look adorable. And that is the Secret Garden collection, but you don't have to keep it a secret, and you don't have to be in a garden. Don't forget to use my link and code. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come say hello in the comments. I love to hear from you. I appreciate you being here so much. What should we do with these? Give me some ideas. Bye. You do the work for me. You come up with the ideas and I'll do it. Okay, nothing too niche though. We don't need like a cowboy riding a flying dolphin over the pyramids of Giza.